Hey everybody, this is Adam. I'm the managing director of 4-Wheel Drive Toyota Owner Magazine, and we're just going to do a quick walk around of our long-running build project, a 99 Toyota 4Runner. We'll start in the back here. We have 33-inch Toyo RTs on Vision wheels. These things have performed exceptionally well. Toyos are great off-road as well as on-road. They're very tame, they're not loud, but they grip when you need them to. Coming around towards the front here, we've got ToyTec rock sliders that have been welded onto the frames. Those things have protected our rockers for many, many miles of wheeling. On the front here, we have been exceptionally happy with our addicted off-road plate bumper for the third gen 4Runner. They make a bunch of different varieties, tube styles and plate styles for Toyotas, 4Runners, Tundras, multiple generations. It's got a rugged ridge 10.5K winch on there. Thing has performed exceptionally well for us. Got a little 12-inch light bar on there to help us when we're in the thick of it. And you'll notice down below here we're running Old Man Emu on all four corners from ARB. This suspension has performed exceptionally well for us. It's given us lots of clearance and has never given us a problem whatsoever. Coming back around here, obviously on the other side, you can see the driver's side ToyTec rock sliders and the Toyos on here. Up top, we've got a Road Shower 4. They make these in 5, 7, and 10-gallon capacities. This thing has been fantastic. Solar heats it, pressurized off the Schrader valve. You get up to 65 PSI. Get yourself a nice shower or hose off dirty gear. On the back here, we've got the Shrockworks rear bumper with two side-by-side jerry cans and the spare tire carrier. We also have a 4Runner side step on here. Makes it easy to get up on top. If you do have a rooftop tent or any other gear up on the flat rack, you can step up there. It's very stable, sturdy footing for you. And yeah, this rig has been a fantastic build project for us. You can see we just got back from an expedition out in Eastern Washington. And in case you're wondering, over here we've got our HEO. That's Highland Expedition Outfitters. It's a rooftop tent on top of their T3 model trailer, which has been a fantastic rig for us. It's got the rock and roll hitch. It gives you a 3-way articulation off of a standard hitch receiver. And in the tongue box here, we've got the Rover solar charger battery system. We're just charging it up to top it off. And on the side there, we've got the Heo Awning. It pops up and zips out like many of the awnings you've seen, and room zips on with 4 walls and a floor, either a solid wall or a screen room if it's hot but buggy. And this trailer has been a fantastic addition to our setup. You can see we're just getting everything packed up, airing it out from coming back. We got stuck in the rain a little bit out in Eastern Washington, as I said, but yeah, this thing has been fantastic for us. So hope you guys enjoy it. Keep your eyes open for future features, and we'll see you on the trail.